I bet you didn't know a flash flood could hit Kansas City this fast. Stay safe, folks. Several areas are already underwater, including parts of Lee Boulevard and Tomahawk Creek Parkway. Overland Park firefighters have rescued people from flooded vehicles at 124th and Knoll Avenue. No injuries reported so far, but the situation remains critical. The National Weather Service has included Johnson County, Wyandotte County, South Central Leavenworth County, and Northern Miami County under this warning. Up to 3.5 inches of rain have already fallen, with another 0.5 to 1.5 inches expected. Residents are urged to stay away from creeks, streams, and low-lying areas. Avoid driving through flooded roadways. Turn around, don't drown, stay informed, stay safe, and keep an eye on your local news for updates. Like and subscribe for more urgent updates and stay weather aware, Kansas City.